these are designed to go right behind the speaker itself. Okay? Simple physics on speaker, it moves in and out, moves air. The more air it moves, the louder things are. Now think about it being inside of a door. Directly behind the speaker inside a door, you've got that painted panel on the outside. So what happens is the sound waves bounce off the speaker, they bounce off that painted surface, go back into the speaker, causing distortion. So the speaker can't move freely, which is where you actually get your sound quality of a speaker. So these wave breakers will actually absorb all that sound from behind the speaker so it doesn't go right back into it. So let me show you something we've got on display here. A lot of people ask me why I have speakers in a mailbox. Well, the mailbox is, they're metal. So as you see in this one, there's nothing inside there. It's just a regular mailbox, the speaker, wired up to the radio. Top one here, we added our HushMat Ultra sound deadening. And as you see back here, we've got the wave breaker directly behind the speaker. So the HushMat Ultra is used to prevent the panels from flexing, because that'll actually make noise on its own. The wave breaker is used to absorb, like we said, the sound waves from behind the speaker so it doesn't bounce off the surface, go back into the speaker, and cause distortion. Okay, so check this out. Alright, so this is a speaker here that doesn't have anything inside of it because it's the one on the bottom. So let me turn the volume up here. Go to like 20, that should be good. So now let's listen to this. Gross, a lot of distortion. Top one with our sound treatment. No rattles, no noise. It's probably really hard to hear the sound quality of the speaker, but it sounds way better in person. So, nice and clean. Rattles and distortion. So these wave breakers are really key to getting you some good sound quality no matter what your speakers are. Okay, so you basically install it right behind the speaker along with some sound deadening, which we always recommend the HushMat Ultra because it is our favorite. But add a wave breaker and some sound deadening behind your speakers, and no matter what it is, you're going to get better bass, you're going to get some cleaner mid-range, and you're going to really hear what your speakers can do.